Cartrack's devices are designed to be installed in minutes. Here's how to install the GPS unit. When you open your welcome package, you'll find the Cartrack unit, a zip tie, the specific cables for your vehicle, and your welcome cards. Associate the terminal number of the Cartrack unit with the number of the vehicle you're installing it in. Cartrack uses the license plate as the default vehicle name and can be updated after installation. This makes it easier to set up and name your vehicles on the Cartrack Cloud platform. With the engine off, locate the diagnostic port inside the vehicle. You can find it under the left side of the dashboard or in the driver's sidekick panel. The locations may vary by make, model, and year of vehicle. See your owner's manual for reference. The Cartrack Y cable has a female and male connector and a Molex connection. Identify the male side of the cable and connect it to the vehicle's diagnostic port. Ensure it is tightly connected by turning the collar clockwise and locking it in place. Now plug the Molex connector into the GPS unit. The connector will click when it's fully inserted. For a seamless installation, tuck away your unit within the dashboard. The female side of the Y cable now becomes the vehicle's new diagnostic port and is thread through the back of the dashboard. The new port will be visible in the front. Your unit will now start transmitting data so you can track real-time GPS locations, harsh braking, speeding, and more. Log on to fleetweb-us.cartrack.com with the username and password provided in your welcome letter. You will now see your vehicle appear on the map view. You're now ready to start tracking your vehicle. Thank you for choosing Cartrack USA as your fleet management and telematics service provider. Call for additional support.